for the student. Okay, just let me share the complete screen. So right now here, see, this is the program. I hope is it visible? Farhan, visible है बेटा ये program आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just see, just focus only three function first. Number one, dict function. The dict function which I told right now for creating a dictionary. When you are creating a dictionary, what you have to do, you need to pass the variable like that. Your key name, that is your key name, which is called name here. Don't put here colon because it will create the format automatically. Just write the equal to sign, then the value. Again listen to me, this is the key name and this is the value. And in between you have to put the equal to, not colon. Colon you are not going to write, dict function will convert it into the colon. Then comma, comma means now the next value age, age you are taking in the same format, equal to sign and the marks. Now I will add here, suppose I want to add the address. So when you will add the address, you will write here the address. So what will happen? In next line, you are going to print the dictionary here. But I will do the three program together till here. Rest I am making the comment for you. Just give me a second because I made the program so that time will not be wasted. So right now just see, I made all the data comment here. Now this is the way we can create a dictionary. Now I will show you the result. Just see my result now. Only this portion will highlight it. Now you can able to see a dictionary having name, age, marks. Give me a triple quotes to be closing at the last. Now I'm again running the program and you can see the dictionary which is having 4 values. Name, that is ABC, age, that is 12, and the marks, that is 90, and the address we have South Delhi. Just see here what they did, they have put the colon automatically and the curly braces. So it means dict function can help you to create a dictionary, but you need to write the key name and the value. Then it will convert in a proper format. Same like list function. Let me recall you about the list function. Do you remember the list function? What is the role of list function? Just see. When I write here list and I write a name like Python. So what will happen in list function? Aditya, can you tell me? Are you here बेटा? आदित्य तो नहीं है ना? आदित्य है. हाँ बोलो आदित्य बेटा क्या आएगा आउटपुट? Yes.
मैम वो सारे लेटर्स को एक उसमें कन्वर्ट कर देगा अलग अलग लिस्ट में.
Yes, it will show you the data character by character. Just see here. When we will see the output, now it's also converting the data in character by character format. So it means why I'm comparing this list function with dictionary, because these functions are helping you to create a proper data type. So list function create a proper list data type, dict function create a proper dictionary format. And now the last one is tuple. If I'm using the tuple, what can I do here? I will write the tuple and then I can write any value. Even I can write Python also, same value. Now the bracket will change. Everything will same, just bracket will change here. Just see this format. Now tuple function, list function and dictionary function. Just do the comparison. All the functions, just see the bracket here. This is the parenthesis for tuple and this is the square bracket for a list and this is the curly braces for a dictionary. So in that way you can recall all the function which you have done. Dict function, list function and tuple function. These are same. And the role of these also is that for creating as well as for converting. Suppose if I want to convert a list into a tuple, I can use tuple function. If I want to convert a tuple into list, I can use also a list function. And if I want to convert a dictionary, then I can use a dict function. So I hope it's clear now, but this I will remove because this is not for this chapter. Now the next function we can discuss. Any doubt in dict function? Anything you want to ask? Yes.